a village called Ngao within Tana Delta constituency within Tana River County. We are one of the farms that belong to one of the residents, or a section of the residents, especially the youth who had taken this section just to do agro-business activities within this farm. But the youth have been unable to continue with their practice. Why? Because of the elephants that have been roaming about in search of water, in search of food within this area. But with me here, I'm joined with a section of the youth that just to give us or to paint a picture of whatever is happening within their area, what the complaint is, where the elephant they think they come from, and what they really need from this area, and how has that even affected the activities within this region. Habari yako, karibu sana, utajitambulisha jina lako, alafu tuambie hiki kiathiri vipi nyinyi kama vijana katika eneo hili. Nitakushikia.
Okay. I'm Bonase Mishedrak from Ngao village. I'm one of the FSCs, that is Farmer Service Center, that were selected by WFP because of farming. As a farmer, as a lead farmer, I managed to bring like 65 youth to the ground. As you can see, I'm on the farm. This farm was a model farm for the youth. We came together after our exams in the colleges and universities. We formed a CBO, and we decided that so long as our job opportunities are few, we'll come together, form a CBO, start the agribusiness. After we've embarked on agribusiness things, we planted tomatoes all over this place, 1 acre. And we had other 16 acres of land, which we had a plan of planting, that is the cereals. After a short period of time, when our crops were about to mature, we experienced elephants invasion. And the opinion, it is that due to climate change, the elephants were forced to come this way. Number one, there are so many people who cut down trees and burn charcoal in the upper region of Tana Delta, because we have the upper region where most of the times wildlife lives there. And the cut down of trees have caused for the dryness of the water holding these elephants to move to our farms in search of water and pasture.